Hi guys, so today I'm just gonna do really cute hairstyle. So let's get started. Brush your hair without any tangles or knots, and then I'm gonna pick up little hair from the front, and then I'm gonna just clip it away the front section for a moment, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and do a huge ponytail. So I'm gonna do really high ponytail at the crown of my head. So I'm just gonna tie it with a hair elastic, and now I'm just gonna release the front section of my hair. Now I'm gonna take a little pieces, and then I'm gonna just do back combing. I'm gonna tease my hair to do a poof. So I'm gonna just do step by step. So I'm gonna just pick up a little hair, and then I'm gonna just take my comb, and I'm just going to back comb that. So I'm just gonna do that a couple more times so that I can get like really voluminous poof. So I'm ready here. So now I'm just gonna just take my comb, and I'm gonna clean it up a bit. Make sure that you don't do it so hard, otherwise you might just ruin your teeth. So I'm just gonna make sure that it's neat. Now I'm gonna push it forward to make a poof, and I'm gonna use so many bobby pins to secure my poof in place. So I'm gonna take like 4 to 5 bobby pins to secure my poof. So I'm just gonna do that. So I wanted my poof to be really high today, so I just did a little high. So this is how it looks like after I'm done. Now I'm gonna take an hair elastic and tie all the hair in a ponytail like that. And now I have a ponytail and a poof. Now I'm gonna just do a bun. So I'm gonna take my donut bun, and I'm gonna just simply put my hair into that and roll it to the base of the ponytail. So I'm just gonna keep rolling that. So I'm just gonna keep doing that, and here I have my bun. So to secure that in place really tight, I'm gonna be using so many bobby pins so it does not move. So you can use how many ever bobby pins you want. I just use like 6 to 7 bobby pins, and I secured all around the bun because I don't want my bun to fall later on. So I'm gonna pull out some pieces from the front, and it's gonna frame my face. So that's it. This is pretty easy, really quick bun hairstyle. It looks really nice with like short mini backless dresses and all. So I hope you like this video. Let me know in the comments how you like it. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye everyone.